morning, boys and girls. I sure miss you, folks, all my little and big friends from TPP. Hope you are happy, healthy, playing, and learning every day. Just know that I'm thinking of you. Today is Wednesday. It is a very dreary day here. And I thought I would take some time to share a book with you. I've seen Mrs. LaBerge's online streaming music classes, which are outstanding, and she's inspired me. I've also heard some other teachers are reading to their students, so I thought I'd give it a go. This is new to me, so please bear with me. I chose, what else, but a book by Mo Willems. Some of you will remember seeing this in our book bin. Several had asked if I would read this to you, and I had been saving the story to read in springtime because it's about Elephant and Piggy and a bird, or one, or two, or maybe more. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this together. Are you ready? The title, There is a Bird on Your Head. Well, there's our first interruption. That is our dog Nala. Just a minute, please. Okay, we're going to try this again. Here's the title page. There is a Bird on Your Head. Written and illustrated by Mo Willems, an Elephant and Piggy book. Are you ready? Piggy? Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Does Elephant look happy about that? What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Excuse me. One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. The end. And yes, have to take a look at all the pictures. What do you see, boys and girls? Yes, there's the pigeon. And what is he eating? A hot dog. And there is another story for another time. What do you think? Is that a good one? Did it make you laugh? Yes? Well, let's see. Got a couple questions for you. Ready? All right. All right. Things that we've done. You remember our story ones? Who are the main characters? I bet you know. Elephant and Piggy. And other characters in the story? What else did you see? Give it some thought, boys and girls. Where did the story take place? Was this an inside story or an outside story? Well, what was your favorite part? What about if the story continued? Remember where we left off? Left off with the nest. Whoops, there you go. The nest on Piggy's head. What might happen? How do you think Piggy feels now with the nest on her head? Would you like to have a nest on your head? Think about that a little bit, boys and girls. What else could we talk about? Well, Elephant was very upset. Obviously upset, wasn't he? He did not want the birds and the nest on his head. Why do you think he didn't ask them to leave? Whose idea was it? It was Piggy's idea. She says, ask them. Have you ever had a problem? Did you maybe forget to ask for what you needed from a friend or from your mom or your dad? Did you forget to use your words and ask? I think Elephant forgot. And how easy was it? All he had to do was to ask nicely. So how do you feel when you remember to ask what you need from someone and they actually do what you ask them to do? Something to think about, boys and girls. All right. There is a bird on your head. Another favorite from Mo Willems. Boys and girls, I have a little finger play rhyme to teach you guys, complete with some signs, some sign language. So let's learn a couple together. First is bird. Think of a little beak opening and closing. So close your fist, take your pointer and thumbkin, bird. Another sign, hop. Hop. You guys can do that. Next sign will be stop, which you are all very familiar with. Then window, hands together, raise up, like you're opening the window. Hello, how do you do? Hello. Then wag, as in wagging a tail. So you're going to wag. Got it? Wag. And fly, as in bird flying. Got it? All right, let's try it. I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. I told the little bird to stop, stop, stop. I went to the window to say, hello, how do you do? He wagged his little tail and away he flew. Now, don't worry if you didn't get all of it. I'm going to send it home to moms and dads, complete with some pictures of the signs so that you can practice at home. You want to try again? You ready? All right, show me the sign for bird. Hop. Stop. We're going to do it 3 times. Window. Open the window. Hello. How do you do? Wag. Wag the tail. And fly. You ready? Okay. I saw a little bird go hop, hop, hop. I told the little bird to stop, stop, stop. I went to the window to say hello, how do you do? He wagged his little tail and away he flew. Good job, guys. Keep practicing and you'll get it. Add a craft, but we'll save that for the next time I visit with you. I will say that if your moms and dads got any paper plates around, that would be good. Or a box. What do birds do in the spring? They nest. So we're going to be making nests. Have some more information to give you about nests as well. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it, enjoyed it. I loved visiting with you. Please keep those messages coming and having moms and dads sending pictures. I love it. Okay, so I'll talk to you again, visit with you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.